A 7-meter long van with a rear lounge cost 88,000 euros. It's a really original design. This is the Pilote P696U. It has 475 kilos of payload, 4 sleeping places, 4 sitting places, 153 litre fridge, 288 centimeters on the outside, 192 on the inside. So plenty of room. Step up, there's a double floor down here. Unfortunately though, the floor isn't flat, so I obviously have to find something which is wrong. There you have your rear lounge. You've got a bed above, kitchen here on the side, coming through here. Right, there's your cabin. That's where you drive from. And okay, not a huge amount of space here, but this is just for driving. That back there is what counts. And look at this enormous dressing room here. A dressing room which will compete in size with many liners. It's a real dressing room, because there you have your shower with a skylight in, which is relatively good size. Here we've got a wardrobe. We've got storage here for clothes. And here we've got a little bit of space in the double floor. This one in this position. There you go. There's your first part, your double floor, and here's the second part with the tank in. I find these things a bit fiddly. I like the ones that other brands make more. And there you have your lounge. I think that looks great. Okay, coming through here, we've got a place to sit down as you come in, and you can stick your shoes down here in there. Oh, it's got a dodgy catch there. Television can go there, and there you can sit down and admire the weather outside. Here, 2 burners, very modern looking countertop in the kitchen, sink, down drawers, and a large fridge. Freezer there, and there's your fridge. And storage up here for your dog food or whatever it is you eat. And here as well, very high, lots of space up there. But this is brilliant. This is the pièce de résistance. We've got this large table, which I shall demonstrate. Take this thing here off. It's a very lightweight one at that. Look at how big that is. That's enormous. Space here for lots of people. Got 2 belted positions as well. There you can see belt there. And let's just have a sit down and admire this fantastic look around. Now, the problem with beds over the lounge is that you often find you hit your head on the roof when you jump up. So let's now just try jumping up. You're going to need to see me as I do this. There you go, I'm standing on tiptoes now. That's standing normal. Right, look at, you've got all this space here. I think that's really brilliant. Now, if they'd made a double floor deeper and made it a flat floor, then perhaps I wouldn't be able to do that. But for the moment, I can stand up in this vehicle and I've got all this space around me. I think that really is very, very positive. You can make a bed up down here as well, can't it? It says 4 people will come into this van, but as always, I think that's too much. But you know, you might have a reason to have an extra person in or something of that nature. storage down here in the, I suppose that's a sideboard really, and you've got a bit down there as well. I hope I'm not being overtly complimentary, because I do like to be as neutral as I can and say things which are could be potentially be negative about the vehicle. We can slide this across. We can't do it now, you know why? Because this is closed up here. So push that up like that, and that should work. There we go. There, so I'm going to close the toilet door here as well. And there's a magnetic thing there to hold it in place. This is the dressing room. Look how much space there is in here. This, in my opinion, is the best vehicle done by Pilote. Of course, I mean, it's a matter of taste, what you actually want, but I really think it's good. Even got hooks as you come into the vehicle. Now, I haven't got the key. This might be a little bit of a problem actually. I've got to put the key in there. Bear in mind my height 175. You're any much shorter than I am, then you might have difficulty reaching up to the place where you put the key and then you put it down. I don't like having keys for these things. I reckon it should be without a key. I can't see the point. All the keys are the same. Incidentally, the keys can be fixed quite easily, but they snap very easily as well. But if the person who actually fixes keys, I'm told that it's quite a simple job. Not being a locksmith myself, I didn't know that. It was pointed out yesterday. Window in the door, very useful feature. This will come across like that. The base price of this is 80,000 euros, but I mean nobody pays that. There you've got your cassette, and here. Now the problem with the rear lounge is, in nearly all cases, that is you're not going to get much storage in the back. And that's what you've got here. So if you want to carry bikes, for example, then you're going to need to put something on the rear here. So you could mount onto the back side, or you get a tow bar, for example, and then mount it on something like that. I think the tow bar mounted solutions are probably better because they can take far more weight, or at least that's what it appears to be to me. Large windows, there's your gas. And so, well, I'm quite excited about this van, and obviously I don't want to be too excited about vehicles, but I do always want to point out the truth, and I feel if anything sounds like an advertisement, then there's something you've missed and you're not pointing out the truth. Anyway, thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest site on YouTube for motorhomes and campervans, so if you're interested, then you might want to subscribe. All the best from me in Germany.